It's hard to get an exact figure at the moment, but in the last 10 years, probably it's more than 50,000 coin has been distributed. There is an equality of exchange, equal to equal. In other words, it can only be made by exchanging commodity with commodity. So if you want to exchange a head of gold, then you need, or you must get as an exchange other commodity that has a similar value, and that can be best served by gold or silver. Paper money doesn't serve that equality, because one party lose an asset, let's say a head of gold, and the other party just get a piece of paper which has no value. When we minted the dinar for the first time 9 years ago, it was only worth 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. These 4 pieces, about 400,000 rupiah. Today, you need 15 pieces of this paper money, 1,500,000 rupiah to get 1 dinar. 1,500 years ago, 1 dinar equals to 2 heads of gold. And today, if you go everywhere in the world, you can buy 2 heads of gold with 1 gold dinar, right? While a coin of dirham, the silver coin, you can have 1 head of chicken. Some people see it like a story of this king with no clothes, right? So when everybody see that the king was wearing very beautiful clothes, but in fact, he wears no clothes, until a small boy said, look, the king has no clothes. It's the same thing with this paper money, that we are told that this is wealth, which has a values on it, until someone said, look, this is just a piece of paper, no value on it. So, right, so if you cut like this, look, 100,000 and it's gone. Where's the 100,000? And magically, if you put a cello type on it, the 100,000 rupiah came back. Only by putting a cello type on it. People will accept it again. It's very magical. It's magic. This one is the real one. The current system is not only unsustainable, but it's collapsing. So we have to be prepared with other system which can be sustainable and more stable. The banking system is crime, and the bankers are the criminal. The current system is taken for granted as the only system available. It is not only unsustainable, it is unjust, and it's collapsing. So we have to find the better alternative. We have it. In Islam, you have to prevent wealth to be circulated among the rich. And what is happening today is that the wealth, the real wealth, which is gold and silver, are only sitting amongst the wealth vault, while the people are getting the worthless paper money. Now what we are doing is reverse the process. We return the paper money to the banking system,